Let us go to the next topic, geometric mean. How do we calculate geometric mean of two numbers AB? It is equal to root of AB or AB power half. How do we calculate geometric mean of three numbers ABC? It is equal to ABC power 1 by 3 or cube root of ABC. How do we calculate geometric mean of four numbers? We have to multiply the four numbers and do power 1 by 4. So here for geometric mean, we have to calculate power 1 by n, right? So for three numbers, we have to do power 1 by 3. For four numbers, we have to do power 1 by 4. So how are we going to do that? We have to enter the value. Okay, and then we have to press root 12 times. We have to subtract 1, divide by n, add 1, and press into and equal to simultaneously for 12 times. So, and then to find average interest rate, geometric mean is the best method. And GM cannot be calculated if the values are negative. Okay, let's start doing sums. First question, they're asking us to calculate geometric mean of four numbers. How will we calculate geometric mean of four numbers? We have to multiply the four numbers and do power 1 by 4. So geometric mean of 3, 7, 21 and 15 is nothing but 3 into 7 into 21 into 15 power 1 by 4 because there are four numbers. Okay, so let us multiply all the numbers. So what are we getting? 3 into 7 into 21 into 15. So we're getting 6615 power 1 by 4. So what are the steps to calculate a number power 1 by n? Let me just write down the steps once again here. So we have to enter the value. Then we have to press root 12 times. Then we have to subtract 1. We have to divide by that n value. So here it is 1 by 4. So we'll divide by 4. And then we'll add 1. And then we will press into and equal to simultaneously for 12 times. Okay. So let us enter the value 6615. Okay, I've entered 6615. I'm going to press root 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract 1, minus 1. Okay, and then I'm going to divide by 4. And then I'm going to add 1. Okay, now this value I'm going to into and equal to for 12 times. Okay, into and equal to simultaneously I'm going to press for 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what I'm getting 9.03. Closest to option B. Let's go to the next sum. Here they are given three interest rate and then they are asking what is the average yield percentage on the sum invested. So let us go to the formula page. What is being given here? To find average interest rate, geometric mean is the best method. So here they are asking us to find average interest rate only. So we'll go with the geometric mean. Geometric mean is the best method. So how to calculate geometric mean of 3, 4 and 5? We have to multiply the three numbers and do power 1 by 3 because there are three numbers. So what is 3 into 4 into 5? 12 into 5, 60 power 1 by 3. So you remember the steps, I hope. Okay. So 60 power 1 by 3. How do we do this? We have to enter 60. We have to press root 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I'm going to subtract 1. I'm going to divide by 3, add 1, I'm going to get a value. And then again, I'll press into and equal to simultaneously for 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm getting 3.916, which is rounded to 3.99% in the option. That's only the closest. Okay, can we go to the next sum? Okay, next sum we have to find harmonic mean. How do we calculate harmonic mean of two numbers? Harmonic mean of two numbers A, B is 2 divided by 1 by A plus 1 by B. So we have to do number of observations divided by sum of their reciprocals. So harmonic mean of two numbers now we have to do 2 divided by sum of reciprocals. Harmonic mean of three numbers we have to do 3 divided by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. And how do we calculate harmonic mean of four numbers? 4 divided by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C plus 1 by D. And combined HM formula is N1 plus N2 divided by N1 by H1 plus N2 by H2. So when there are two groups and both the groups will have individual HMs, if they're asking you to find a combined harmonic mean, you have to use this formula. For average speed for same distance, which method is the best? Harmonic mean is the best method. Okay. So based on these formulas, let us do the problems. Third question, they're asking us to find the harmonic mean of three numbers. How do we find harmonic mean of three numbers? Let us write down the formula. Harmonic mean of ABC is equal to 3 divided by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So how do we get harmonic mean of 2, 3 and 5? There are three numbers. So 3 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So do you remember memory function that we learned earlier? So we're going to use memory function here. Let us find the denominator using memory function. So clear the memory AC0, MRC0, clear the memory. Now I'm pressing AC0, MRC is also 0. So 1 by 2, let us store it in memory. Okay. And then 1 by 3, let us store it in memory again. And then 1 by 5, let us store it in memory again. So if we recall the memory, we'll get the denominator. Let's do memory recall. What are we getting? 1.0333. So we have to do 3 divided by the denominator's value, which is nothing but 1.0334. Let me see. Now let me calculate this value. 3 divided by 1.0334. So what answer are we getting? We're getting 2.90. Which option? Option C. Okay, next question can we do? Next question, they're asking us to find average speed. So in the formula sheet, what has been written? For finding average speed for the same distance, harmonic mean is the best method. So we have to use harmonic mean for this sum. So what have they given? A man travels with the speed of 20 km per hour and returns back at the speed of 30 km per hour. You find the average speed. So for finding average speed, harmonic mean is the best method. So let us find the harmonic mean of 20 and 30. How do we find harmonic mean of two numbers? 2 divided by 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. So denominator's value, we can store it in the memory. Do AC0, MRC0, clear the memory. Now I'm going to store the denominator's value in memory. So 1 divided by 20, let me store it in memory, memory plus 1 divided by 30. Let me store it in memory plus again. Now let's recall the memory, which will give the denominator's value. So what is the denominator's value? 0.08333. So let us divide and get the answer. 2 divided by 0.08334. So I'm getting 23.99, which is nothing but 24 kilometer per hour, right? So which option? Option C. Let us do the last question. They're asking us to find the combined harmonic mean. How do we get the combined harmonic mean? What's the formula for combined harmonic mean? Combined harmonic mean is given by the formula N1 plus N2 divided by N1 by H1 plus N2 by H2. So what are the two groups given here? The first group has how many observations? The first group has N1 observations, which is nothing but 15 observations. And what about N2? How many observations does group 2 have? It has N2 observations, which is 30. What is the harmonic mean of first group? H1. What is H1? Harmonic mean is 75. And what is the harmonic mean of group 2? 65. Now, what is the formula for combined harmonic mean? Combined harmonic mean is N1 plus N2 divided by N1 by H1 plus N2 by H2. What is N1 plus N2? 15 plus 13 divided by N1 by H1. 15 by 75 plus 13 by 65. So what are we getting? 28 divided by denominator's value. Again, denominator's value, let's store it in the memory. AC0, MRC0. Okay, so denominator has the value 15 by 75. Let me store it in memory plus. 13 by 65 is the next value. Let us store that also in memory and let's recall the memory. We're getting 0.4. So now what is 28 divided by 0.4? It is 70. So what is the combined harmonic mean? It is 70. Which option? Option C.